In this video, we are going to understand a magical disappearing story. So basically, this is what we are going to do. We have a wizard, and we have three more characters: one horse, one dog, and one frog. And the wizard is basically saying a message asking them to wait, otherwise, the wizard will disappear all of the three characters one by one, and they are just running away to save their lives. And by the time they run a few steps, so the wizard first disappears the horse, and after that the wizard disappears the next character, that's the dog, and finally the wizard disappears the frog. So this is basically what we are doing, and let's see how we are going to do that. So here, if you follow my mouse pointer, we are using four sprites. One is this wizard, second is the horse, the next is the frog, and the next is the dog. So for the wizard, the instructions are pretty simple, that when you click on the green flag, so this is the starting location that I have given, -195.101. These are the coordinates, basically x-axis and y-axis. And after that, it is supposed to move a little bit and speak a message, ask the other sprites to stop. And once this message disappears after 2 seconds, so this next message will be there, that stop or I will disappear you. And after that, it is going to wait for some time and change the next costume and play some wand sound. And after a while, it is going to broadcast a message for disappear horse. And after some time, it's going to change the next costume and then play the magical wand sound, and then disappears the dog here, and then again wait for a while, change the costume, and then make the wand sound one more time, and then disappear the frog. So basically this is it, and once all of them disappears, so it displays a message of laughing around like ha ha ha. So this is a pretty simple code for the wizard that he will follow once we click on the green flag. Moving forward with the horse, the instructions are pretty simple, as we say that when we click on the green flag, so this is the starting location for the horse, like by default it will be set over there, and the size of the horse will be 100%, like the natural size of the character. And then it is supposed to move 10 steps, and this process will be repeated within a repeat block. And just to add curiosity, add some message like no, don't disappear me, or something like that, and then keep on moving. So here, these repeat blocks that you are seeing 3 times, these are basically like changing the next costumes and running on the game stage. And once this horse is receiving this message like to disappear horse, so that time we are reducing the size of the horse continuously until it gets too minute on the screen to be visible, and then hide the horse. Likewise, similarly for the frog, like setting the default location, like the starting location, and setting the size back to normal, then displaying a message and keep on running on the game stage using these repeat blocks. Likewise for the dog, giving some starting location, like every time when you click on the green flag, so they will start from here only, whatever the locations we have given, and then display some message like talking, they are talking amongst themselves, and then they are running on the game stage by changing the next costumes using these repeat blocks. And once all of them one by one receiving some disappearing message, like here the dog is receiving the disappear dog message, so the size of the dog has to be reduced too minute once to be visible on the screen, and once it's too small, then it's gonna hide after this instruction is repeated 10 times. So here one more time, when we play, this is like how it works. Back to the starting positions with the normal size, then they are talking amongst themselves like wait for me, don't disappear me, and they start running away from the wizard to save their lives. And after some time, the wizard makes the with the wand, uh, and disappears them one by one.